Before I show you guys how to sidechain, let me show you guys what sidechaining is. Sidechaining is reducing the prominence of other elements in the mix so that certain ones, most commonly kick drums, can shine just for a split second. I have an example here of this song I've been working on for a really long time. I've put a lot of effort into it. But this is currently the drum beat. But I do fear that it's getting lost in the mix. Unfortunately, this song doesn't sound very good because you just can't hear the drum beat all that well. But sidechaining can fix that. In order to sidechain, put every single element into a mixer channel. Currently, I have everything but the claps and some of the hi-hats in this mixer channel. What we're going to do is route every single element that isn't a kick drum to a single channel, like so. So I'm just going to repeat this process and put them all into one channel. But be careful, I have my kick drum here and we don't want to put that on the channel. We want to put everything else, and also we may occasionally want to leave the claps or hi-hats out. Now that they're all in one channel, I'm just going to label this, call it sidechain, and give it a vibrant color so it's easy to spot. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a short automation clip by double-clicking and dragging, right-clicking the volume slider, and just creating this automation clip. Now, by doing this volume automation, I'm making everything else duck when the kick drum is playing. So the volume of every other element will be nothing, and the kick drum will be playing, allowing it to be prominent in the mix. That'll make this beat sound way better. Now I've put this on every single time the kick drum hits, and now the beat will sound a lot better. Listen. As you can see, the kick drum is a lot more audible now. Let me turn off the sidechain. That's about it for sidechaining. This is the simplest way to do it, and thank you all for watching.